kid wasn't sick. The kid wasn't sleeping. The kid was dead.
As unpleasant as the thought is, after bodies cease living, they begin to decompose. Here are 10 facts about the breaking down process. Number 10. Organs will digest themselves thanks to enzymes and bacteria. Just because the body has drawn its last breath doesn't mean the microbes inside are done with it. They go to work breaking down and liquefying soft tissue, and within a couple of years have usually deteriorated all of it. Number 9. A waxy coating can develop. It doesn't happen all the time, but has been observed in women, children, and people who are overweight. When it does occur, it begins after organs have started to break down, and typically among bodies that have come in contact with cold soil or water. Number 8. Unborn fetuses decompose differently. The process is called maceration, and is similar to what happens to an adult corpse immersed in water. Mummification is also known to occur. Number 7. Flies and maggots play an important role. Their work begins when flies lay eggs on the deceased body. The larvae soon emerge and begin absorbing fluids and, as they mature, take on the fleshy areas. As they do so, they spread enzymes that assist in the task. Number 6. Dead bodies can help solve crimes. There are places called body farms where cadavers are left to decay and are carefully observed while they do so. The information gathered can help detectives determine a victim's time and cause of death. Number 5. Male enhancement may occur. Concentrations of bacteria can cause significant swelling. Areas where this often happens include the mouth, stomach, and genitals. Number 4. Muscles continue to contract. However, once they no longer have a supply of oxygen, they stay in that state a bit longer. The process is called rigor mortis, and it causes the body to become rigid. Number 3. Embalming isn't a cure. The practice of introducing chemicals into a corpse is intended to delay decomposition and is typically employed for funerary viewing. Eventually, the body will decay unless mummification measures are taken. Number 2. Caskets may explode. When the body is too tightly sealed in a casket or mausoleum, the gases it produces can cause a buildup of excess pressure.
If it's in one of those super sealed protective caskets, there's really no place for all of that gas and fluid to go, so the body can kind of turn into sort of a bog.
Once it reaches a certain point, coffins will explode and even concrete and marble structures can sustain damage. Number 1. Decay can take decades. Most often it starts and finishes within a couple of years, but depending upon environmental conditions, full decomposition can take a lot longer. Corpses that are protected from the elements and buried deep can hold on to at least some tissue for about 50 years.